Good morning, everybody. That's Kim. I'm Zan. This is We Are Woot. And we're back for more liquor. And yes, if you're wondering, it's like 8 a.m. Gotta start your morning off right.
Yeah, So I got Knob Creek. They obviously make small batches. This is their smoked maple one, 45% alcohol per volume. So we will see how this goes. And yes, it did have a seal on it.
Yeah, wax seal.
Wax seal. But they do make it really easy tab to get it off, which was nice. You don't have to try to manhandle it. Let's see if the cork will let me come out. So. You want to try first?
No, go ahead. Smell
it. Get a little bit of the maple notes. Oh, I can definitely tell the maple.
Yeah, I wonder if the camera picks up the yelling cat in the background.
Can never get him to shut up when you want.
It smells interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it basically is breakfast, isn't it?
Yeah. You definitely get the maple.
You know, that might actually make a really good sauce.
Use it for cooking.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can see that.
Yeah, put me like an ounce or two in my glass. Try a little bit of Coke.
Okay.
That should be good.
And you want to try.
Like a third to a third of the can.
And just
Should
gonna
be
go
good.
up to there.
You gonna try some with Coke, or you just want to drink it straight?
I'm gonna add a little bit. Yeah, most of the time I like mixes over straights.
Well, that drink's actually really good straight.
It is.
Almost, to be honest with you, it almost reminds me more like a rum and Coke.
Almost.
I mean, obviously.
Yeah. Well, I mean, most sodas tend to have that kind of caramely sweet flavor anyway, and then you add the maple, and you get the maple tones with the regular tones.
It's not bad, but it disappears. I think it's actually an injustice to it.
I can, since mine's a little less diluted, I can still taste it.
Let me try yours.
But it's very subtle, but you can still taste it.
Yeah, that's a bit better.
Yeah.
So in other words, top me off a couple more ounces.
Basically, don't dilute it as much.
That's why I said only about a third. Oh, cheers. No, with that, people, if you want breakfast in a bottle,
Yeah.
get you the smoked maple from Knob Creek.
Definitely worth it.
Yeah, I think might even save like a glass to make a little bit of barbecue sauce with.
Could be interesting.
Yeah. So, peace, everybody.
See ya.
Nope.